Hey there, my friend. You know, I was thinking the other day about how seamless our web app has become, and it got me curious. Have you ever pondered about how we can keep our app fresh and real-time without constant human touch? Well, it turns out the internet has some magic up its sleeve called Azure Functions paired with the Signalar service. Together, they're a match made in heaven for web app magic. Ready to dive in with me? Let's make our web app leap into the future. First things first, imagine if our app could wake up and share updates with everyone instantly. Yeah, I know, it sounds like sci-fi, but with Azure Functions and Signalar, it's totally doable. Azure Functions are these tiny, dainty pieces of code that don't mind being awake all the time. They can be pinged by anything, say, a file change or a specific event, and without breaking a sweat, they trigger, do their job and go back to their beauty sleep. And Signalar. It's like the charming messenger boy who rushes real-time messages to everyone connected to our web application. It keeps users in sync, ensuring that the last person to read the data is the first to receive the update. No one feels left behind. Alright, so where do we start? Well, you and I sit down and look through our app's source code, no need to break a digital sweat over it. We're just going to see where to drop our Azure badges. Once we've identified the spots, we're setting up our functions as triggers. And I don't mean physical triggers, although that sounds like fun too. Instead, we are setting up our functions to be triggered by any changes in our code repository. You get to know when a new change is committed, and our Azure functions jump into action, like fireworks after a countdown, sending updates through Signalar to all the clients immediately. Now, that's exciting, but what if Signalar and Azure functions don't get along? Or worse, what if one starts bickering or not receiving messages? Fret not, my friend, it's all about test.